How to recover permanently suspended Twitter account? If Twitter has suspended your Twitter account due to any reason, how you can simply retry that account. For this, open Twitter app or the Twitter on your browser in front of you on your PC. I have Twitter application right now, so I will simply open it. That is X, and my account is not suspended. You just have to confirm your identity in order to just retrieve your account, because sometimes your account is suspended due to your identity problems. So you have to delete any content that violates their rules. Like if you have uploaded something very wrong, then how you can simply delete it. And then after, you have to verify your account. After that, your account will be verified and will be unsuspended with Twitter, and you will get your account back. Use a VPN to bypass the restrictions on your Twitter account. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.